Wow, that green is not hardly showing up on the video.
It's better with the light off usually. I guess I better go out there and scrape some more dirt. I was trying to finish my Coke entirely this time so I don't waste a little drop.
No, no drops of Coke shall be wasted.
Let's each one of my other Cokes I was drinking. I had sweat dirt or dirt in my mouth or something. It tasted like dirt.
Yeah.
Honey, can I use your film for music? Because mine's at 23%.
Yeah, okay. I don't know why that light ain't coming on. Weird. Oh, there we go.
Oh, the Stargate.
Yeah.
Nice.
I was like, where's your Pandora? Honey, which one's your best music, honey?
I do. I got a light.
There. Oh, got some snakies in there. Looks good, Jay Ray.
Yeah, still working up. Still got some odds and ends around.
Battlestar Galactica.
I kind of like what I did with the lights on the inside. I didn't like that lit up in here, but there's actually black foam on the inside to make it look like a spotlight.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and you see one over here. Look like it's spotlighted here and there.
Yeah, that's pretty creative. So you put the foam in there?
Yeah, if you look on the inside, it's black foam on the inside.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, I gotta clean up that area over there. I'm thinking about putting some more lights here for this runway.
Mm-hmm.
I just haven't got them yet.
You thinking about a different color scheme since that's a? Let's see.
Well, I mean,
I wonder what they use. I wonder what they use that one in, like real life. What that alternate is it for? Just a bigger aircraft that needs more runway? No, that's the takeoff. Okay. This is the landing pad, and that's the takeoff. So it really doesn't need. It really doesn't need these because otherwise people will be kind of. Maybe that needs to be all red. No, no. Those blue ones do the same. Those turquoise ones or whatever, they do the same thing.
What's that?
Pulsate.
I can make a pulsate, but I can't make them do this. That is a different brand.
Mm-hmm. No problem there. This still's cool. Oh my, yeah. Red alert, red alert.
So yeah, but you can do that with all of the Zoel's better at getting these damn things to work than I am. Now you got the whole party thing going on up here.
Oh, I just knocked him out, man. Oh, the monolith. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're having a disco time. Well, that's pretty neat. Cool. See you later, dude.